Guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode we are going to finally be installing the lift kit onto the truck. I'll see how far I can go today, and as of right now what we're going to focus on is installing the new struts onto the OEM shocks. So this is the McGaughy's 7 to 9 inch adjustable shock, and right now this little snap ring is preset to 7 inches, but since we're going high on this truck we can set it at 8 or 9, and I think we're gonna do 9 inches on this lift.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
We're gonna have to take this snap ring out and then set it to the 9 inch, and then this collar will sit on that snap ring, and that will then, our whole strut assembly will sit on this collar. So this is how you adjust your height. I'm gonna go ahead and set this to 9 inches, and first thing we gotta do is cut this off. And then move that collar. And then this. So that's at 8 inches. We want to go 9 inches, so kind of do one of these numbers. Alright, so all the way to the top is going to be set at your 9 inch ride height, and then we're going to do the same for the other one, and then install this onto the OEM struts. Here is the Strut Assembly. We're going to have to compress this to install the new shocks, and then we'll finally hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'm a little scared because I don't normally compress springs, so hopefully everything goes well. Probably asking, why do I have this in a vise? Okay, so here's the issue that I'm having. After I remove this from the strut, I'm gonna have to reuse both of these two pieces and this boot. So this is fine, this is fine. The problem that I'm having is this. It hits this collar, so I need to reuse this to put onto the new strut. So I have a couple of options. The first attempt is to just lightly tap it. I say lightly, but we'll see what happens. Tap it to see if it just comes out. But I don't think it's gonna work like that. So what I think I'm end up having to do is might drill a hole, decompress this, and then I might have to cut it off. I don't know how other people are doing it, but I assume they try to tap it. This is like the only way it could really go out, is that way. So we will see what happens. To be a better way of going about doing that. I can't imagine. I couldn't find anything online about anyone having to do that. Maybe they just bought a new part from, you know, Chevy, because you can buy these separately. I don't know. Check this out, man. This strut is super big compared to the stock strut. I mean, that is massively different. I can't wait to install this onto the truck because it's gonna be insane. Next thing what we're going to do is install the drop brackets for the front differential. You have a driver's side, which is going to be this one, and a passenger side, which is going to be this one. The driver's side, how you can tell, it has this little notch, so that up here, I'll show you, it has one of the differential mounts has a notch on it, and then the other one doesn't. So obviously you're going to use the one with the notch cut out for the driver's side, and the passenger side's just going to get the one with no notch on it. So let's go ahead and install these. So now what we're going to do is, now that we have the drop brackets for the front differential, we're going to go ahead and raise this up and install the front differential onto the vehicle. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today. The next video, hopefully we will get the whole front end completely done, and then we can start focusing on the rear end. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am pretty proud of where I left off at today. There is a lot of things that I wasn't really expecting. So if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you guys in the next episode. Adios.